Today I will show you how to add a custom domain to Firebase, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is to log into your Firebase account. Once you're logged in, this is how it's going to appear. Now on the top far right, you're going to see go to console, and you're going to click on go to console. Now here we're going to get started, and we're going to create a new project, and we're going to name the project add custom domain. And once we're done, we click on continue. We're going to enable Gemini in Firebase. We're going to allow Google Analytics also. And here we're going to create an account for Google Analytics. We choose the Maroon Pelican sample account, and we're going to go. Now that it's done loading and our Firebase project is ready, we're going to click on continue. Now here we're going to go on the left side, we're going to go to build, and we're going to go to hosting. On the hosting, we're going to click on get started. Once we get started, it's going to give us a few setup. You're going to follow this prompt. You're going to go click on next, click on this, and you're going to continue to console. Now once you're done with that setup, it's going to lead up to this new hosting page, and under domains you can see the button that says add custom domain. Now here, this is where you're going to add your custom domain, and once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to add some records to your domain, which will allow Firebase communicates with your domain. Now that's how you add a custom domain to Firebase. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.